Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a design team package from KS Craft. Super exciting, lots of new goodies this release. So this first one, you guys probably already have seen the other ones. This one is a thicker, basically band of a ruffle. So this one is 1 1/4 inches wide, and it has like a little star detail inside of it. And then this one is about a little over like 1 1/8 inch. So just a thicker version of what they already had. Next, little mini clipboard like embellishment. So you can see you have the little top clipboard pieces, 2 different like designs or whatever. And this one is 3 inches and the baby one is 2 inches, and it's got ruffle detail. You could put a little page in there once you clip it on. Super cute. Next is this one, library pocket. Here is your like rounded edge. Here's your piece of paper that goes into the pocket. Here's your pocket part, and this can make your top pocket piece a shaker. So it's a shaker library pocket. Super cute. Next is this one. This is a little bee, and you can turn this one into a shaker. So you would cut this one out in foam. The wings would be the shaker part. And this guy is about 3 inches wide. Next is this one. This is actually a little set that you could put on your tier tray, your Easter tier tray. So you could do a gardening theme, or you could just use this just as little tiny little embellishments if you wanted. So you got the shovels, little watering can, and all sorts of stuff. Next, you have a layering flower. So you have the 3 sizes, so big, medium, small, and the biggest one, and you just layer these up on top of each other, is 1 1/4 inches. The middle one is 1 inch, and the littlest one is 3/4 inch. Super cute. Next is this one. This is a honeycomb little pentagon or hexagon. Let's see, hexa 6. And so here's this part, the little stitch detail, this part. You can make it a shaker with this frame. There's a little bug right here, or I guess that's the ladybug body, or not ladybug, bee body, little honey thing. And what does this say? This is Be Mine. We have the words. This word says queen bee is buzzin'. This word is beehive. This is beautiful, and this one is honeybee. Super cute little sentiments. Then we have this one. This is a hot air balloon, and you could do like a mini album. You could also make this a shaker with all the different layers. You could totally make it a shaker. Your little layering droop pieces that you could do on here with like a little heart banner. And this guy is big. Let's see here. He's 6 inches tall and 4 1/2 inches wide. We have the honey hive mini album. So you could put like your little rings on there. Here's all the bee body parts to layer them up. This one has 3 different layers, stitched layer, and then here is like the hive part that you would like layer up on top. And this guy, including the 3 holes, is 5 3/4 inches tall and 4 3/4 inches wide. And then you can't have all these bee dies without some bee sentiments. Little honey pot right here, and the honey dripping down. It says, honeybee, you're as sweet as honey, honey bunch, be mine, just because, happy bee day, be yourself, you're beautiful, queen bee, be happy. And here's a little layering honey pieces for the pot. So there's that guy. And then this one. This one is a 3D baseball cap. Let's see if you guys can get like an aerial view of this. Like a men's cap. So this would be the base of it, and then here is the hat. It does have stitching detail. So this guy, once assembled, is huge. 7 1/2 inches long by 6 1/4 inches wide, and then probably 5 inches tall. So it's a big 3D baseball cap. Okay guys, I will link everything down below, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.